How are you? I'm fine. I'm from Nigeria. Yes, man. Oyi atubolemato. You know what oyi is? Oyi is cold. Cold is too much. Because enebem can hear you hot.
But it's not cold now.
It's not cold?
No.
You don't feel it? You don't feel it? Small. You will be able. When they go, we shall. How can you not feel this cold? That is, man, what's your name?
Rahul.
Eh?
Rahul.
Rahul.
Yeah.
Me Rahul. Hey, Nkegukwan. Nkatangli. Hey, babe. No, you never know how to call the table. Chireko, I go Nkatangli. Eh? Say it again.
Venkatesh.
Vankadesh.
Yeah, Venkatesh.
Oh, I go the car. You want to come now? Nazula Yoti, Ebe Blati, Fedumo Crocro, about that downward. Katawoti, all the tea recording. Beautiful as you are. No, my name, Chief Imo. Chief Imo worldwide. Say it.
Chief Imo.
Worldwide.
Worldwide.
If I say Ingorokai, you say yes. Ingorokai.
Yes.
Ingorokai. Yes. Warana Bagu. Everything, yes. Warana Bagu. Yes. Warana Bagu.
Yes.
Ndara boss. They won oh. Yes. Honestly, now Ndara Bomuna. Arabagachana. The moon one was in the kitchen. Shindara. These are my two friends. I met them in London. Good to see you. You're nice. Nice. Thank you very much. Your hand is cold. Oh. All right. Bankatish. Bankatish. Rahul. Agma Rahul.
Yes.
Morin. Pen. As in pen. Okay. Pen. Embody pen. Kind of. Okay. Oh, a humble. Nice one. Is that beer or beers? Beer. When it's 2 cups, it's beers. It's beers. Then when it's 3 cups, it's beers. You like it, I know. Yeah. I'm a very funny personality. People say I am funny, then I want to try if I am funny too. Because over there in my country, I used to make people laugh. So I come over here, everybody is frowning. You know?
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria. Yeah, I'm from Nigeria, and I zoom into this place. I want to see if I am really funny, like people do say over there. I can see you laughed, he laughed, then I laughed, then all of us are laughing. You understand it? Oh, laughing. You like it?
Why are your friends filming you?
Yeah, that's my sister, and that's my uncle, and my cousin, and my nephew. He's also my ancestor. He's 4 in 1 piece.
Is he?
Yeah. All right. Nice. It's okay. Nice meeting you. I'm so happy. Don't mind me.